Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the physical and software prerequisites. Inspect the port for the Thunderbolt icon and check your cable. Thunderbolt 3 requires a 40 Gbps rated cable rather than a basic USB-C lead. Once done, run the operating system updates and firmware or BIOS updates so the controller is recognized. Make sure Thunderbolt or USB-C controller options are enabled in firmware. This prevents surprises later. Now you're ready to attach devices and move to active configuration. You now connect the device and take ownership of the permission step. Plug the Thunderbolt 3 peripheral directly into the port, not through unpowered hubs, to confirm baseline functionality. When the OS prompts, authorize or trust the device so the controller opens the link. Then verify the connection in Device Manager or System Report and run a quick bandwidth test with an external SSD or eGPU to ensure full lanes are negotiated. If speeds look low, review cable and port mode settings. You finish by optimizing and handling common failures. Set power and performance profiles to allow full PCIe and power delivery. Update device drivers and firmware for both laptop and peripheral to maximize throughput. If a device isn't detected, reboot and replug. Try a different certified Thunderbolt 3 cable or another TB3 port, and double-check Thunderbolt security settings in BIOS. Sometimes authorization is blocking access. One quick troubleshooting tip: swap in a known working TB3.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.